Hi, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. We bring health and weight loss related videos on daily basis. Please also see the link in description below for natural weight loss supplement. What will appear if you plank every day for 1 minute? Physique weight workouts are lately making pretty a buzz in the fitness world. Thanks to its simplicity and practicality that lets you to get in shape via your personal physique weight. Planks, for starters, are one type of body weight exercise that in no way receives old. No matter what, this exercising is ideal for those who lead a busy life and find it very challenging to go to the gym. Due to time constraints, doing a plank every day, even just for a minute, helps improve your complete core. In fact, most health professionals said themselves that planking is one of the top tremendous workouts to tone your six-pack. They are even greater effective than crunches. Keep watching what happens to you when you do planking every day for 60 seconds. 1. It significantly reduces the risk of returned and spinal column injury. When exercising, there's also the chance of getting lower back and backbone injuries. With planking, when accomplished successfully, you will strengthen your back muscle tissues without needing to put a great deal stress on your hips and backbone. As an end result, it helps ease back pain, all the while helping you have a superb posture when sitting and walking. 2. It defines your abs. Planks target every major core muscle. That's why by major core muscles, we mean all your obliques and abdominal. Moreover, as you get better and stronger at your planks, you'll also get stronger when it comes to performing other different exercises. For example, if you're a common gymnasium goer, you'll feel huge strength increase in various compound lifts like squats and deadlift, and best news for women as well, because planking also boosts gains in your booty. 3. It boosts your overall metabolism. Planks are a compound exercise, thus it engages a number of muscle mass at the same time. Now, what does this entail, you ask? In essence, you'll be burning a ton more energy at the identical time than it would take to operate other abdominal exercises, say crunches or sit-ups. Furthermore, constructing up your muscles also leads to extra calories being burnt. That's because the extra muscle tissues you have, the faster your metabolism will be. 4. It enhances your overall balance. Have you tried standing on one leg, however, then you have been unable to stand up straight or more than a few seconds if you time out, even when you are completely sober and feeling okay? Then it's because your belly muscle tissue weren't strong enough to keep the stability you need. Planking for 1 minute each day improves your universal balance. Ultimately, it will decorate your overall performance in whatever wearing endeavor. Quantity 5. Advantages. You mentally. Did you know that plank workouts have a certain influence on our nerves? Consequently, this makes them a splendid technique of improving a person's general temper. For starters, planking stretches out muscle groups that have an effect on stress and tension in the physique. When you are sitting or standing all day, lengthy your muscular tissues get tight and tension forms in your shoulders, making you hunch ahead the whole day. Conditions like these stressed out the muscle groups and nerves. Through planks, you can calm your brain while helping you deal with nervousness and even depression symptoms. So will you start doing planks the next day? If so, make positive to come returned right here and share your results after a month of everyday planking. In the meantime, you can leave some comments below about this video and let us know if you like the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks.